In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install QRPay, that is money transfer with QR code full solution script. I will be using code list for this testing purposes. So let me go straight to my codelist.cc. I open a new tab, then I click on codelist.cc, enter. Then next, let me copy the name of my script. Copy. I click on the search button, Control press enter. So here's the one I'm looking for. I click on it, then scroll down to select any of the link to download the script. Let me select this, copy, paste, enter. Then I click on download to download the script, but I've already downloaded the script, so I don't need to re-download. So let me just close it. Let me go to my computer, download. Here is the script that I downloaded. I extracted it. Here is the extracted file. Let me open it. I open it. So let me open. Then from here I open this place. So this one I'm sending to my cPanel, QRPay web new, this. So let me go straight to my cPanel. Then to my file manager. On my cPanel, I go to my file manager. I click on it. Then Then I go to my subdomain I want to use, because I'm using a subdomain for these testing purposes. So here is it. I have already uploaded the script and extracted it. Here is the script. Then I've already extracted it. So what next for me is for me to go to my cPanel. From there I go to my database to create my database. So let me scroll down to my database. So here is it. I click on it. So let me name my database as create database. So go back. I've successfully created my database. Next I'm going to create the user. Let me create the user as user. Create user. So next I've created the user, created the database. Next I'm going to add my user to my database. So I'll make sure I select the one I just created. Then add. I give out privileges, then scroll down to make changes. So my subdomain, I'm going to see my subdomain, enter. I click on start. Everything is okay. I click on next. Don't forget I'm using code just for testing purposes. Please use link in description to purchase script license. Continue. So application name, let me say QRPay database. Okay, this is my username. Continue. Then I click on migrate. Admin email. Let me say admin@admin.com. First name. Continue. Next, I click on admin panel. Okay, close. Okay, admin panel. Now I put my email there, admin@admin.com. Then login. I have successfully installed my scripts. Here is the home page, about. I can go to anywhere I want from this place. So please, if this video is helpful, please link in the description to hire me to help you install the script, or you can also use it to help me and get me coffee. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channels. Thank you.